Use Maintenance Mode on your Samsung Galaxy to protect your personal information during a walk-in repair. Begin by backing up your data, just in case the repair technician has to perform a factory reset of your phone. Open the device settings. Then, make sure you're signed in to your Samsung account. Go to Device Care. Tap Maintenance Mode and review how Maintenance Mode keeps your data safe. Here, you can choose an external storage backup or temporary cloud backup. Whichever you choose, SmartSwitch will back up all of your device's data. Now, tap Temporary Cloud Backup and then Backup Data. Next, read the terms and conditions. Then, tap Continue. Review the permissions SmartSwitch needs and tap Allow. Review the data to be backed up and tap Backup. Once your data is backed up, tap Done. Now, you'll want to protect your privacy during repairs. Maintenance Mode secures your personal data while allowing repair technicians to access the parts they need during a repair. Tap Turn On, then tap Restart. Enter your screen lock PIN or password to continue. And your device will create a log for the repair technician and restart. Your device will restart into maintenance mode, and you can hand it to your repair technician without giving them your PIN or passwords. To disable maintenance mode, open the device settings. Then scroll to Device Care. Tap Maintenance Mode. Exit. And then restart. Enter your PIN or password when prompted, and your phone will restart, ready for you to pick up where you left off. If you exit maintenance mode, but then notice data is missing, choose the backup method you selected during the repair. Tap Restore Data to retrieve your lost files. With maintenance mode, you can have peace of mind when trusting someone else with your phone.